see the doggy, what doing to my hair? It's so very naughty. You're so very naughty. You see Bubble. Bubble. You see Sky. She's hurting me, Bubble. You see. The very naughty doggy in the world. Sky. What are you doing? What are you doing? What? Are you boring? Pinagtripan mo yung buhok ko? Ha? Ha? Pinagtripan mo yung buhok ko, Sky? Oh my God. What are you doing to my hair, ha? What are you doing? What are you doing? Si forma, oh. Si Eli di mio pelo. Ama siya. Isabel Escoba. She's so very naughty, you know. Sky, please hi to our viewers, even though you're so very naughty. Say hi, Sky. You see Bubble sleeping, but you, I don't know. Sakit. Gumun-gumun niya katsara di yung pelo na masya. Hi, Vicente. So very naughty, this kind of dog. It's playing with my hair. And you don't know how it's hurt? You know what it's hurt? It's hurting. You hurting me. You hurting myself. Mhm. No, no, no. Don't go up. So very naughty, 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 naughty.